Think you know what manufacturing is all about? Imagine a job where you dream of how to make things that have never been made before. Or build cool stuff, like robots and machines that come to life. With the right skills and knowledge, you'll get paid to figure out how things work, be creative, solve problems, and make something real. The pay and benefits are great. The jobs are waiting. That's today's manufacturing.
I used to take apart my bike, fix flat tires. I was always involved in wanting to know how things worked. After getting an associate's degree in electronics, I kind of worked in the field more as an electrician. I began to see, engineers bringing machines to life. And that led me to want to, further my education.
A couple of the parts of my job that I like the most is the constant variety, that you always get to work on a new problem. The ability to be involved in designing the project to the assembly of the project on the floor, and actually being able to see the machine physically work gives yourself a sense of confidence and satisfaction knowing that you designed it.
Most people, when they graduate college, they have to look for a job. While I was in college, I was working in my field, and when I finished college, I got a raise from the employer that I worked for. It's not just one, you're not just an electrician, you can be a mechanic, an electrician, or a machinist, or a programmer. There's something different every day.
I nearly failed electronics in high school, but it didn't stop. Maybe the way you're being taught right now may not be the way you learn, but when you get to a secondary level, things can change. If there's something out there that you like, don't let anything stop you. The pay is great. I get to work with a great group of people, and I get to do what I enjoy doing.
Join the new world of high-tech manufacturing in Wisconsin. Engineers, technicians, and machinists are in hot demand. Find out how you can get in on it. Then get a career doing what you love, with great pay and benefits. Be part of the future of manufacturing today.